How to recover deleted dash cam footage. Intro. Dash cam footage is critical evidence. Unfortunately, the memory cards that contain them are prone to damage, data loss, or both. With the right tools and information, you can still restore dash cam footage. And if you act fast, you can completely recover deleted files from your SD card without losing anything. We will introduce you how to recover deleted dash cam footage in this video. Why is your dash cam lost? Video. Dash cam footage gets saved into SD cards, and they are more prone to corruption and deletion. Footage loss or card corruption may occur due to various factors. We've listed some of them below. It is improperly removing the SD card from the dash cam. Recording videos when the storage gets full or the battery is low. The SD card just expired as it came with a limited lifespan. Connecting SD card to the system containing malware problem or having a virus. Using incompatible device driver. Exceeding the limit of erase writing cycles may cause the bad blocks on SD cards. Use debug to recover deleted dash cam footage. Is it possible to recover deleted dash cam footage? For the short answer, yes. Dash cameras typically use standard microSD cards, which are recoverable in all cases, except for physical damage. So, get the dash cam SD card and use the SD card reader. Make sure your card reader is securely connected to your computer. Check disk management if it's mounted. Download and install debug hard drive recovery software. Launch it. Select your dash cam's SD card and start to scan data. How to avoid losing videos on dash cam. You can avoid losing your videos by following these simple tips. You can use the emergency lock feature to prevent your footage from getting overwritten after any unpleasant incident. You can directly push the lock button to protect the video file, and don't forget to unplug your dash cam. After that, save the video recording to your computer. Don't forget to turn off the dash cam whenever you try to remove your SD card. Aside from that, you should make sure that your car is parked. If you find any malware or virus in the card, immediately stop using it as it might cause continuous overwriting, making you lose your data. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. So which method is the best method to recover deleted dash cam footage? Please comment it below.